Hello, welcome everyone. Again, another question I am starting. This is question number 7 of exercise 3.1. This is the question. Draw the graph of the equation. You see, these are the two equations given. After that, you have to find the coordinate of the vertices of these two lines, and the x-axis also shade the triangular region. So, since we have to draw the graph, first you write down the equation. Here is the equation. After that, you write x equal to y minus 1 side change, and we have to make a table of this graph. Make a table. So you have to consider at least 3 points in the graph. So here you see in this equation, if I consider here 1, suppose y is 1, in place of y, if we put 1, then 1 minus 1 will be 0, and that will be the value of x. Suppose here, if we consider minus 1, y is minus 1. That's why I have written y is minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. This is the value of x, minus 2. Suppose it is 3. I have considered y equal to 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the graph of the, that is table of the first equation. Then you write the second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So side change, 2y equal to, you write 12 minus 3x. 12, it will go in that side positive, 3x will go in that side positive. So y is equal to, you write 12 minus 3x. 12 minus 3x by 2. Now you have to make a table of that. So you make the table. Again, you have to consider 3 points at least. You write here x and y. Suppose we are considering this is x, okay? If we are considering x equal to 0. So if it is 0, then 3 into 0 will be 0. Here 12 remains, 12 by 2 will be 6. Again, if we consider here 1, suppose x is 1. So 3 1 is 3. No. If we consider here 1, you will get a fraction. So you consider a even number, an even number. Suppose it is 2. So 3 into 2 will be 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Similarly, you can consider here minus 2. So if it is minus 2, if we put it here, minus 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6, minus 6, minus 7 is a plus 6, and 12 will be 18. 18 by 2 is 9. Okay, so these are the two solutions of the equation, that is graph. Now you draw a graph. Draw the two axes. Here you see I have written x-axis, and this is the y-axis. So this is the negative side, and it is the positive side of x. This is called horizontal line is called x-axis, and this is the vertical line, it is called y-axis. The there is below the line, the value of y is negative, and above the line, the value of y is positive. So you give some mark here to count the value. So actually we have to use pen and scale and pencil. Without this graph cannot be done, but I am here doing with pen. So there is no way. If I write it by pencil, you will unable to understand. So I have marking like this. You see the first graph. It is 0 1. 0 means actually this is called origin, and coordinate of origin is always, you remember, 0 0. So and if you want to put any value on the graph, you have to start from here origin. Okay. So 0 means x, value of x is 0. Then y, the value of y is 1 1. So 1 should be in the positive side. So this is the first value. Okay. I am circling this point because you will not understand, because there will be so many marks here, so it will be clear. Now minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2, again we have to start from origin, and minus 2 is the value of x, so go in the negative side of x. That is minus 2. Then you see the value is minus 1. So in the negative side of y is 1, that is minus 1 will be here. This is another point. Then you see 2 3. 2 means 1 2, and 3 means 1 2 and 3. These are the 3 points. you join them. This is the first graph of the equation, the first equation. You can make it as AB. AB is the graph of the equation. Now you see the second equation is second value is you see 0 6. 0 will be here 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the point of second equation. So this is the first point. Now 2 3 you see 2 means 1 2 and 3 means 1 2 3. Same point. 2 3 is common point. This is the point. Then and next one is minus 2 9. So minus 2 will be in that side and 9 minus 2 9. Is it right? 6 minus 1 is plus 6, 12 and 6, 18, 18 by 2 is 9. Okay. So if I write here minus 2, our points are these two. So we have some problem maybe. Here I have considered 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. 12 by 2 is 6. Okay. 3 to the 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now it is minus 2. So minus a plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. So if I put the value here, okay, minus 2 is this 0, 1, 2, minus 2. Then 9 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose here. Okay, you see now these 3 points, you join these 3 points. Okay, now you see that a triangle is formed. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. This suppose this point is called P and this point is called Q. It cuts at x-axis at this point and this is the point is called R. Okay, now you have asked to find the coordinate of PQ and R. So I am writing here the coordinate of P is, you see coordinate of P is 1 2 then 1 2 3. So 2 3 is the coordinate of P and it is the intersection point. This point is 2 3. Okay, now coordinate of Q, you see this is the point where it intersect x-axis at this point. So to come at this point it should be 0, sorry, minus 1 0. Okay, first we have to move from here towards x side. So minus 1, q is minus 1 and there is 0. Now you have to find the coordinate of r. R is this point. You can mark it as r. R means we have to move towards 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it will actually, since we are drawing it by hand, actually it should cut at this point. Okay, so this is 4 comma 0. You write 4 comma 0. Okay, so this is the total answer of the graph. But you have asked to find that is you have to shade the triangular region. So this is the triangular region. You shade this part like this. Okay. So always use a pencil and scale to get a clear diagram. So this is the total answer of this question. I hope you can understand. If you don't understand, please give me suggestion what type of problem you are facing. And before completing my video, I am requesting all of you to uh, like my post and give subscription to my channel, and please press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you and good night.